Hello everyone, this is Goog from GoogsPCRepair.net, and in this tutorial I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install Windows 7 in VMware Workstation. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we want to do is open up VMware Workstation, and there from the home page we're going to go ahead and click on New Virtual Machine, and the New Virtual Machine wizard will pop up. Here we're going to go ahead and leave typical selected, click Next. Here it's asking us how we want to install Windows 7. If you have it on a disk, you would click Install Disk, and then choose where you have your drive, which drive you have the disk in, and then you would click Next. We're going to install it from an iOS file because that's how I have it. So we're going to go Browse, and then you're going to navigate to where you have your disk image saved. We're going to click Open, and here you're going to see it's going to say Windows 7 is detected. This is going to allow for an easy install. An easy install is an unintended installation of Windows 7, which pretty much means it doesn't require no user interaction during the process. So let's go ahead and click Next. Here we're going to put in the information for the virtual machine. Go ahead and put your product key in here. Then you want to come down here. You want to select which version of Windows 7 you have. And then you want to put your username and your password in. Go click Next. Alright, that's just saying I didn't put a product key in. Alright, here you want to name your virtual machine. Keep in mind that you would want to name it to reflect what you're going to use it for. I'm just going to go ahead and just leave it Windows 7. I'm going to click Next. Okay, here we have, it's going to set up the virtual hard drive. By default, Windows 7 it chooses 40 gigs. I'm going to go ahead and just leave it there. And then down here it gives you two choices. You can store the virtual disk on a single file, or you can have it split to multiple files. I like having it on multiple files, so that way if I wanted to switch it to my laptop or switch to another computer, it makes it a lot easier to do that with. So we're going to click Next. And here's this summary of the virtual machine setup. I'm going to go ahead and click on Custom Hardware, because I'm going to get rid of some stuff like floppy drive. We don't need it. Memory. I'm going to go ahead and increase the memory to 2 gigs. You can set it to whatever you like. You can leave it at 1 gig. Depends on how much memory you have. I have plenty of memory, so we don't have to worry about it. You can set it as high or low as you want. Just keep in mind that you cannot go below the operating system's minimal requirements, which is usually what it sets for default, and you cannot go higher than how much RAM you have. Next thing, you can check your processors. Here you can change the number of processors you have and change how many cores if you want to do that. I'm just going to leave it at the default as 1 processor. And then I'm going to come down here to network adapters. By default it has it on this NAT setting. I'm going to go ahead and switch it to bridge. This just makes it easier for your virtual machine to connect to your network. And then go ahead and click OK. And then go ahead and click Finish. This is going to take roughly 15-20 minutes depending on your machine, how quick it is. I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and we'll come back when we're done. Alright. Once Windows 7 is done installing, it's going to go ahead and boot up to your desktop, and it's going to automatically start downloading these VMware tools. Go ahead and let them install, because they're essential to give you all the functionality that you want out of your OS inside a virtual machine. Once it's done, it's going to go ahead and restart, and then it's going to open you back up to your Windows 7 desktop. Here, the first thing you want to do is make sure is take a snapshot. Taking a snapshot, just in case you muck something up, it allows you to revert back to it. So go up here and click Snapshot. Take a snapshot, and it's going to open up, tell you what you want to name it, and then a brief description. Go ahead and name it, and then for the description, I like to try to have it reflect something, the state of the machine, like a clean install, what programs you have installed in it. But for this one, it's just a clean install, so we're just gonna type in clean install. Okay, click OK. And then you can go ahead and This is just saying it can run in the background. Go ahead and just click so it doesn't show it again, and then click OK. Alright, and while you can notice down here at the bottom it's saying it's saving. It's going to keep track of it until that's done. That's pretty much it. That's Windows 7 and VMware Workstation. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Check out some of our other videos in the tutorial section of the website. And thanks again.